ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan. Will investing in this policy help you build a secure financial future in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial decisions and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. But before we analyze whether this will be a good policy to invest in it or not, let us first understand a few basic details about the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of its key features are you have the flexibility to choose between two benefit options. First one is the income only benefit option, and next one is the income with lump sum benefit option. And you also get guaranteed regular income for a period of 20, 25 or even 30 years to ensure the fulfillment of your recurring needs in the long term period. And guaranteed lump sum benefit, if it's applicable to your case, shall be payable at the end of the benefit payout period to boost your savings. And loyalty additions also act as an additional boost to your income benefit payout. And you have the flexibility to receive a discounted value of your future survival benefits as a lump sum based on your financial needs. So these are some of the key features of this policy. Now let's take a look at the benefits available under this policy. So first, there is something called death benefit, which is given to the nominee or the legal heir in the case of unfortunate death of the life insured anytime during the policy's policy term. So the sum assured shall be payable as a lump sum to the nominee or the legal heir. So the sum assured on death is defined as higher of 10 times of your annualized premium, 150% of total premiums paid till the date of death, and your sum assured. So this will be given as your lump sum to the nominee. So whichever is higher at the time of date of death, so that value will be given as death benefit to the nominee as a lump sum. Next is the survival benefit, which differs based on the income benefit option you have chosen. Suppose if you have chosen this policy and you have survived till the policy term, then income benefit is payable to you for 20, 25 or 35 years, whichever period you have chosen, like monthly, quarterly, half yearly, annually. So whichever income benefit period you have chosen, as per the benefit payout frequency is chosen, your survival benefit will be paid. So if you have chosen the income only benefit option, then your income benefit will be expressed as a percentage of your annualized premium, which will be paid to you. If you have chosen the income with lump sum benefit, then your income benefit will be expressed as a percentage of your annualized premium. Additionally, at the end of the benefit payout period, a guaranteed lump sum benefit will also be payable. There is also something called loyalty additions for both options, which is a percentage of your income benefit which will be added to your income benefit every year during the benefit payout period. So this percentage varies based on your premium paying term and the annualized premium amount, for which if you want to know more about it in detail, you can definitely refer the policy brochure. So these are some of the benefits available under this policy. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan. So first, let's take a look at the advantages. So as an advantage, you have added protection, which you can enhance your risk coverage during the policy term by adding riders. And you may also take a loan against your policy, and the maximum loan amount is 80% of your surrender value. And all the benefits under this plan are guaranteed. So these are some of the advantages. The disadvantages are also equally important to understand because it reveals the potential risk you might be undertaking by investing in this policy. So the disadvantage here is that there is no maturity benefit under this policy. So even the lump sum benefit under the second plan option will not be able to help you meet with any bigger financial goals. And your life cover ceases at the end of the premium paying term and is not extended during the income benefit period. And you can't accrue or postpone your annual survival benefit. So these are some of the drawbacks of investing in this policy, which you need to consider thoroughly before choosing to invest. So as we have taken a look at the basic details about this policy and how this policy briefly works, now let's move on to the analysis part, where we conduct an internal rate of return analysis of the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan to calculate what kind of return we get from this plan. Because no matter the benefits and advantages we get from a policy, what matters at the end of the day is the returns we get in our hands. So for that purpose, we are going to calculate the IRR, internal rate of return of this policy. So what we are going to do is we are going to assume a 35-year-old male has invested 1,50,000 annually in this policy and he has selected a premium payment term of 12 years and a policy term of 12 years and a benefit payout period of 20 years under the income with lump sum benefit option. So he opts to receive the benefits annually with a sum assured of 18.75 lakhs. So starting at the end of the 13th year, the survival benefit of 1,64,000 per year is dispersed. So in addition to the final payout, he also receives a lump sum benefit of 21.61 lakh. These are the metrics with which you are going to calculate the IRR of this policy. So just for calculation purpose, as we can see, we are going to conduct the IRR, calculate the IRR as per the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan maturity calculator. So if we see how much is the IRR, we get 5.73%. So this is a IRR we get for a long-term investment period of 32 years. So for 32 years, if you're getting a return of 5.73%, which is definitely even lower comparable to a debt instrument like bank FD fixed deposit, then it's definitely not favorable for any investor. Plus, receiving the survival benefit annually diminishes the lump sum benefit at the end, and neither the annual survival benefit nor the lump sum benefit is adequate for meeting any of your significant financial goals. So therefore, investing in this policy may not seem advantageous at any point, because 5.73% is definitely low, and if you are planning for a long-term investment of 32 years, it's definitely not sustainable, nor is it inflation beating for you in any how. So this might not be a sustainable IRR for you, which will be helpful for you to build a financially secure future. Now we have seen from IRR analysis that ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan is not giving the returns we need or we desire for such a long-term period. Now we are going to explore alternative investment strategy, where we are going to separate investment and insurance from our approach. So instead of investing in a investment cum insurance policy like ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan, we are going to invest separately in both life cover and investment vehicle. So how we are going to do this is, we are going to use the same premium amount of 1.5 lakhs to allocate funds for both insurance coverage and investment. So we are going to choose a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purpose with a sum assured of 19 lakhs, which cost an annual premium of 8,600, which is definitely lower compared to the premium we paid in the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan, with a policy term and a premium term of 12 years, which is similar to the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan. So the remaining premium amount, 1,41,400, can be invested for corpus accumulation purposes. So for this, we have chosen an ELSS mutual fund for this purpose. Why ELSS mutual funds is because, according to its track record, if you have chosen to invest in ELSS mutual fund for more than 7 to 10 years, it has a consistent track record of proving that it can potentially give up to 12% per annum. So based on that, we have chosen an ELSS mutual fund which has risk in it, because it is a long-term investment. In long-term investment, if you choose to invest in equity, there is the potential to gain better returns. So for this purpose, we have chosen to invest in ELSS mutual funds. So at the end of 12 years, the ELSS fund matures to 38.21 lakh, and after accounting for the capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value is 36.19 lakh. So the ELSS proceeds are then invested in an instrument yielding a 7% annual return. So to match the survival benefit of this policy, 1.64 lakhs are withdrawn annually for 20 years. So in the end, the remaining amount is fully withdrawn to match the lump sum benefit of the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan. So this cash flow results in an IRR of 8.16%, which is definitely an inflation beating return. So if you even avoid the annual withdrawal, you can still accumulate a larger corpus than this, resulting in an even better yield. In this investment strategy, we have two things which we do not get in the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan, which is the liquidity and the flexibility, allowing you to withdraw funds as needed, unlike the rigid schedule you get in the ABSLI Assured Income Plus Plan. So this strategy helps you to accumulate better returns with good liquidity and flexibility. So this is a better approach to investing your sum. So what is the final verdict of investing in ABSLI Assured Income Plan? Should we invest in it or not? As we can see, the life coverage is only provided during the premium paying term, not during the survival benefit period, and the sum assured is also relatively low. Overall, both the life cover and income benefit do not favor the investor, and also this policy has a high agent commission, which makes this plan an unattractive option. So it's crucial to have an adequate life insurance coverage before starting your investment journey. So what you can do instead is, as we have previously seen in our alternative strategy calculation purpose that pure term life insurance policies are available at affordable premiums even for a higher coverage. You can definitely choose them to invest for your life cover purpose, and additionally a diversified investment portfolio like adding equity and debt instruments can help you achieve your financial goals at the right time. And if you're still having struggles planning your financial journey or your investment journey by finding good investment options or good investment strategies that will meet your needs, you can definitely involve a professional like a certified financial planner who will be able to guide you and plan your financial journey and craft investment strategies for you, specifically for you to achieve your financial goals in a more better way. So you can definitely consider involving a professional too in your investment journey to make it more hassle free and smooth for you. So investing through this route might also be helpful to your building your financial future.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.